Hello and welcome to Crypto CJ's Trading Odyssey. I've made successful trades on 90% of my cryptocurrency trades for the past 6 months. If you want to learn how, keep watching. Welcome back. Well, it's been a few months since I've done a video. My last video was at the end of April, and at that time we were bracing for the Bitcoin halving, which was supposed to have a huge impact on the cryptocurrency markets, and it was sort of a non-event. But then again, after May, Bitcoin did rise from, it was around mid-7,000s. In the last couple of weeks, at the time of this video, today is July 13th, 2020, Bitcoin's trading right around 9,300. So it's been stuck between about a 9,000 to 9,400 range since late June. So I'm not sure if we're going to be able to break out anytime soon. The interesting thing that's happening is the altcoins, cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin have gone crazy and really random. Just last week there was a TikTok rumor about the coin Doge, D-O-G-E, and it shot up, I think it was 80% in one day. I even got in on some of that. I don't usually trade like that, but it was just too good to pass up. Plus I'm kind of a fan of TikTok, so I was aware of what was going on, and I traded it a couple times and then checked out right about the time it dumped. So you have to be careful on those rumor kind of things. Tonight, the coin Anchor, ANKR, has gone up 50% in one day for no particular reason. So it seems like every day or two, some random coin is shooting up, 30, 40, 50%. The altcoin Link, or Chainlink, has shot up from just under $3 to over $8 in the past month or so. That one's considered sort of stable, so it's been crazy. But this is the tendency. This is something that I've noticed and that was taught to me early in my training, in that when Bitcoin stays kind of level, the traders get bored and start looking for other opportunities. So I prefer trading the altcoins anyway because they move better. You can make more money on them. But of course they can move to the negative, and you lose money on them too. So that's why it's important to trade a system and stick to it as much as possible. So I'm happy that I've been able to stay within that 90% accuracy range. I'm getting to the point now where I should probably just start trading more money. I'm earning enough to get by, but I'd like to do more than get by. And that reminds me, I should probably not talk specifically about dollar amounts that I've earned in my cryptocurrency trading that could get me in trouble with the FTC, SEC, or any other government acronym that's out there that frowns on such things. So as I say in my later video, I've got a disclaimer where I say that these are my results, and the purpose of these videos is to inform and entertain, not to provide legal or financial advice. So this is just what I'm doing. Hopefully it helps my audience. So from now on, I think I will just post the percentages and talk about percentages. 2%, 5%, 10%. Those are desired gains in cryptocurrency trading, depending on your strategy, short, intermediate, long term. So at this point, I've got a few different strategies going on. It's kind of like the Dave Ramsey multiple streams of income approach. I still do my day trading on the Binance platform, and then I have a CoinPro account, Coinbase Pro, that I use for longer term trades. I've actually did pretty well on Chainlink. I sold it way too soon, but I thought 20% was a really good gain, so that was pretty cool. I'm currently in Atom, which is also having a similar run. well, the trade the coin is actually called Cosmos, but the sticker symbol for it is Atom, ATOM. So I'm up about 20% on that one. So that's doing pretty well. And single digits on a few others: Tezos, which is known as XTZ, Cardano, which is known as ADA. I've made 8 to 10% on those on longer term trades. So generally, what I want to share is how people can start as I did back in September, October. I didn't know anything about cryptocurrency trading at all, and now it's essentially providing me a living. I'm able to pay my bills with what I earn trading crypto, and I'm hoping other people can do the same. I work more doing crypto now than I did the last couple of months, but I'm still pretty busy with my online businesses. So the good news is I'm working from home. Of course, a lot of people are working from home during this quarantine time, whether they want to or not. But I was doing that even before all the COVID-19 stuff started happening. But so working from home, at least I'm working longer hours than I did as a job, but I'm doing what I like, so it makes it a lot easier. Here I'm doing a video at 7:20 p.m. on a Monday night, but hey, it was on the to-do list and I was looking forward to it. I'm way behind in my videos. I was trying to do one a month. Maybe it'll be one every month or two, so we'll see how that goes. I'm getting to the point now where I'm having more confidence in my trading, and maybe I'll start doing some trainings. Even though I provide some options on how to learn to trade at the bottom of the video through some links that help support this channel. There are some things I've learned within these systems that I wish to share with people who watch this channel and some of my friends who I trade with. So I hope to be dropping some of those videos in the near future. And let's see, I wanted to go more specifically over my results for the past few months. My last video was towards the end of April, so I can look at the April figures. I did 72 trades, 8 losses, no open orders at this time, for 89% success rate. In May, I did 98 trades, 6 losses, 3 open orders, 89 profitable trades for a 91% success rate. In June, I did 77 total trades, 4 losses, 3 open orders. So that's 70 profitable trades for 91% success. July is probably too soon to tell. I still have quite a few open orders. But it's kind of going along the same as April through June. So I'm staying at the 90% range. I actually like to get up a little higher, 92, 95%. I mean, there's always going to be losses from time to time. They don't bother me as much as they used to, but they still bother me. So anyway, I think it was Warren Buffett who said, rule number 1 of trading, don't lose money. Rule number 2, see rule number 1. But there's going to be losses from time to time. You can do everything right, analyze the trade perfectly, and then Bitcoin dumps out of nowhere, and next thing you know, what should have gone up 5% drops 10. So those things happen, not much you can do about it. Well, let me check my notes, see if there's anything I'm missing. Well, just to talk about the trading strategies that I've been using, I started with a beginner and an intermediate strategy at the same time. So my suggestion would be, if you want to learn how to trade from the very beginning, sign up for a subscription to iCoin Pro. There'll be a link down below. There's quite a few services that are free. There's more and more tools that come with the $99 per month subscription. They have a tool called Buddy Coin Crawler. It's kind of a goofy name, but I use it every day. It probably helps me find 1/3 to half of my trades. Totally worth the $99 a month I spend. I love this tool. It's easier to show you what it does than explain it, but essentially shows the coins that are moving and that have room to move more. And the second learning system is Crypto Masters from my friend Jeremy Barnett, and he takes some of the iCoin Pro concepts and expands them, makes them a little bit more accessible and easier to use. And then finally, I'm learning more technical analysis, how to analyze candles, candle charts, Fibonacci retracements, which is a technical tool to try to find the sweet spot where a coin that was high and drops low is going to go back to. So that's been enlightening. And then my final, what I really want to learn is leverage trading. I'm doing a little bit of leverage trading now with Binance. It's just 3 times, but you can do a lot more, 50%, 100%. It's crazy on how much leverage you can do. Of course, the risks are terribly high as well. So I'll have to, check the budget, see if that's something I can do. So that's in the future, and hopefully I'll be able to master that and provide some commentary and training about leverage trading. So that's all I have for now. After this is a short PowerPoint video that has some more information. It also talks about the how you can find the tools that I use to trade, and that you can use as well to start your cryptocurrency trading career. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. I almost forgot this last time. If you want to see any of my prior videos, they're right over here. Videos 1 through 6. This is number 7. And they'll let you know where I started and how far I've come along and how you can do the same. So check those out. See you soon. Bye.
Thank you.